Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're making a creamy chicken sandwich feel. I love making this for work just because it takes me under 10 minutes the night before and it makes up to 2 to 3 sandwiches. So you're going to need one piece of chicken and you want to dice that up into small cubes or strip, whatever works for you. I think it's safe to say that my laziness has hit a new level. I love this new contraption. It just dices any veg for you with one push. So tell me I'm not winning in life, just check out that diced onion. Use a tablespoon of basil hanout, garlic paste, and chicken seasoning. So you want to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, but any soft cheese works in this. Let's go ahead and assemble our sandwich. I don't usually eat white bread, but for the sake of this video, I needed it to pop because I had such low lighting. What is it they say? Slide over substance? The filling usually makes about 2 to 3 sandwiches depending on how thin you like to spread it, but what I usually do with the remainder is just put it into a container, put it in the fridge, and then just spread it over bread when I want to take it to work. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Oh my days, just look at that.